Hi, my name is Deonna Kitwana, and I am a postdoctoral fellow at CAPS. I wanted to make a video to kind of talk about how I've been dealing with the global pandemic, COVID-19, and also share with you some of the things that I do to um, kind of cope with the stress of this global pandemic. Um, so honestly, recently I've been feeling drained. This is my 8th week working from home. And so I am finding it hard to kind of decompress after work because my apartment has now become my workspace. And so there isn't a break. There isn't a detachment from, it doesn't feel like I can detach from work because now my apartment is like my office. So recently, I've been trying to be very intentional in how I decompress and how I break away from my work identity. So one of the big things that I have found has had a helped me a lot is to get out of my apartment, whether that's going for a drive. Um, or getting out and walking around my apartment complex. It's nice to see my neighbors from a distance, even if it is a distance. It's nice to, wave at them across the street and to connect with them. Um, it's also nice to just get some movement because can get really, I can feel really stuck if I'm just sitting in one place for 8 hours. So that's one of the things that I have been doing to intentionally break away from feeling like I'm at work. Another thing that I do in the evenings is that I listen to podcasts. I love podcasts. I love all different types of podcasts. It gives me a sense of connectedness to um, people, especially during this time. Um, so, some of the podcasts that I am currently listening to, I love listening to therapeutic podcasts. So, I'm listening to Therapy for Black Girls. I listen to Getting Grown, which is a podcast about pop culture. It's a podcast about adulting. It also has some good guest speakers on there that um, discuss entrepreneurship. They discuss mental health. So it's a general podcast, I would say. And then I also enjoy listening to inspirational podcasts. So I enjoy listening to Tony Robinson's podcast that really helps me feel motivated some days when I need to be in a headspace where I have to do some work. Um, and so podcasts and getting movement or getting out of my apartment are just some of the things that I've been doing to intentionally decompress from my work week. Um, it's been hard, but knowing that we're all in this together gives me some peace and some sense of connection, even though we're all kind of living in our own little bubbles. Um, I hope you're finding ways to um, decompress and to cope with the uncertainties during these times. I hope you're taking care of yourself. I hope you are number one staying safe, um, and we'll get through this together. I know we'll come out of this strong. So, thank you.